So this is for any assignment you have that is graded and it's done in Class Kick. So if I go to my assignment in Class Kick and I complete the assignment in Class Kick, I have to go back to the course page when I am finished. I'm going to view a student here so you guys can see what it looks like. So if I go back to the course page, I'm here. This is after I've already completed my work in Class Kick. I would go to Tools, Assignments, click on Assignments. I would go to the assignment that I did. I would click on that assignment. And you don't have to submit your work here. All I want you to do is I want you go to where it says record audio. And click on record audio. This window is going to pop up, which you can add a new recording. If you click new recording, you can say, I did this on Class Kick. And my file would be there. I would add it. I could title it class work or Class Kick. Add. And I can see my recording came up here at the bottom. And I could submit. That way you won't have any overdues on your schedule. So if you did your work in Class Kick, you still need to come to the course and add that file, that audio file, so that will come off your schedule.